Well, boys, fucking Scott here. Fucking Blizzard 2019, February. Fuck me, we got a lot of snow, boys. This is just my first fucking preliminary pass. Fuck me. There was no snowbank there earlier. I don't even know how much snow we got, my friends. I seen that fucker Pug One, he's got a loader. Come and fucking help us. Fuck. Fuck me. I've been in this fucking one parking lot for about 4 fucking hours. Frig sacks. I only got like 10 other lots to do. Fuck me. Well, just for the record, boys, starting to fucking hate this. Probably the most repetitive snow dickery I've ever done.
Hey, no. We don't push the snow that way. We push the snow the other way. Please.
Everybody whines about everything. I'm just joking. Good crew, guys.
I thought you wanted that the way road.
Good crew, guys. I don't know. Getting a little bored, boys.
Yeah, actually, you're going to come over here, and you're going to follow me. You're going to windrow it behind me. No problem, be right there.
Windrow, that's a technical term for snow plowing, guys, eh? That's when you leave a little fucking row. Fuck me. Look at all that snow. It's supposed to snow right up till tomorrow, I believe. Another 10 centimeters. I bet you we got about 20 right now. At least it's not fucking bitter cold. Didn't have fuck all for lunch. And I just gotta say there, I got fucking
Trish.
some more subs.
Well,
Thanks for the new subs.
we're not meeting you to gas up.
Anybody has any?
College Drive entrance. I'm on the road. Thank you. Be there in a minute. Thank you.
If anybody has some suggestions for content, let me know, because I do nothing now but plow fucking snow. Sucks ass, for the record. Anyway, I'm going to finish my little mountain here. And,
You can stay close to the curb once you back up by the sign and then push everything out this way.
move into another lot. Anyway, as always, like...
Yeah, you're going to have to angle your left wing up so it angles properly.
Like, share, and subscribe, boys. And thanks to the new subs. Let's keep it fucking rolling, and let's make this a little bit better channel for everybody. Take care, everyone.